Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see address before accepting DoorDash. When an order pops up, DoorDash shows a map with a drop-off pin. This pin gives you the general location before you accept. If you're quick, tap the map or drop-off pin to see more details like distance and nearby street names. On Android, you can also use the DoorDash widget for extra information. You can tap the pin to open it in your Maps app, which shows the route and exact distance before committing. Remember, DoorDash doesn't always show the full address until after you accept, but this helps you decide. And that's it. That's how to see address before accepting DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.